Alright, guys. So, right now, we are gonna be going in Minecraft. So, I just want to show you a couple of my houses that I think you'll like. So, I'll show you this one because I haven't been in it for a while. And then pair it. Yeah, that's a crazy room, but luckily it's the pet room. So, here, let me just show you it from outside. You walk in. Okay. So right here is your regular bedroom. I don't know what that is yet. With the stuff, yes. I don't know what this is. We got the movie theater. Dun-dun-dun. And then here's my favorite room, the gaming station, the Xbox. Then right here is your mic with the gaming PCs. So that's just one I could show you. There's another I could show you too. I did Mickey D's, but I'm gonna do CubeCraft. So, if you didn't see my brother Face Fiery, which he doesn't do videos anymore, you should go check him out, even though he doesn't do videos anymore. CubeCraft. Well, see if this one's to load. There. We're gonna go into Mineware. Because I like this. I like Mineware. I'm really good. Ooh, let's try this parkour. I'm terrible at parkour. I'm not like pressing or unspeakable at parkour. I suck. There we go. And I'm the new winner. Dang it. Anyway, let's go in. I want to try to parkour through that jump. Oh, starting. 1, 0. Okay, so as you can see, we have to win the most. Oh, knock back on. No. No. I didn't even start yet after that. No. Dang it. No. Oh, No, that's my old skin I used to have. Hot potato. Okay. Yes. Okay, I'm in fourth. That's good. Nerd pool. What? 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 I built up to that. Oh my god. Fuck. Yeah. We made it. I don't know how to build a golem. So, it's got a pumpkin that, and then I don't know how to build a golem. So, dang it. Answer the question. Can you eat slime balls? Okay. Cactus slap. I'm terrible at that. Dang it. Well, that was good. It's my longest I've ever lasted for. How much do we need? 1, 2. My god, this is what I hate about it. Stand on diamond. Well, I was gonna go on it. Okay, I'm not very good at this one. Yay. Dang it. Oh, sneaking I'm really good at. Yes. Hey. What? No. No. Come on. Jump in the void. I already knew this one. Okay. I'm really good at this one. No. Platform plummet. No. Color floor. No, I didn't win. Okay, I'm gonna win this one. And I think I am. So hopefully I do. Yes. There's zombies in here. Oh, what is it? Now I need to check it. I want this guy. This one. One of them. Okay. What's next? Answer question. To... Oh, I forgot. I was gonna jump on that one. Dang it. Cactus slap, no. I didn't even get slapped by one of the cactuses. It's just a weird game. Bouncing gladiators. What the fuck? Ignite the TNT. Ching. I won. Yes. Nerd pole. Okay, this better not happen today. Dang it. Share sheep. Ooh, I'm good.